Good morning, friends, and happy Wednesday. Today is packing day. We are leaving for Pensacola tomorrow, although we won't be at Pensacola until Friday. Brian has a business trip that he has to attend to tomorrow in Mobile, Alabama. So we are going to be leaving tomorrow morning for Mobile and staying the night in Orange Beach, which I'm very excited about because I've never been to Orange Beach before and I've heard a lot of nice things about it. So it's going to be very nice to check that area out and yeah, report back to you guys and give you guys some, thoughts of what I thought about it. So, but I'm going to meet Brian today for lunch, probably with his two co-workers as well. I also have to run out there because somebody ordered something or bought something from my Posh Closet, and I want to make sure that I get that sent out today since we are gonna be gone for the remaining week, and I won't be able to make it to a post office. So I wanted to make sure that I got that sent off. So I actually just sat down in my room and did a video. I did a really quick Yankee Candle haul. I stopped off at Yankee Candle the other day because I had a coupon and I just kind of wanted to check out their fall scents. So I did, and I just shared that with you guys. So be on the lookout for that video. It's a very short video, but it's definitely worth watching. So make sure you guys go watch that and see the new candles that I picked out for the fall. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I've already made up the bed, I've taken a shower, I've done my hair, my makeup. I just need to go straighten up the kitchen a little bit before I head on out of here. I also have to package up my Posh box so I can have that ready to slap that label on there and send it off to the next owner. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Alrighty, so it's about 11:30 and I'm meeting Brian at 12:15 up in a different town, Snellville. But I'm leaving a little bit early because I have all this back here that I'm taking to the Goodwill to donate. A bunch of it is scrubs. I have some shower curtains in there, some shower curtain hanger little hooks thingies that are in there, a couple of shirts of Brian's that I'm gonna donate, and yeah, dang it. I did not want that to happen, and it did. Ooh. Obviously I piled it a little too high. Ah, darn it. Oh well. Yeah, so I'm gonna go drop this stuff off. That's frustrating. I knew when I was piling it in the car yesterday, I'm like, if I pile this too high and I go around a curb, it's going to fall over. And I tried not to, I wasn't even going down a curve at that time. I was actually going down a hill at the time. Oh, brother. So, oh well, it fell over. I'm gonna drop it off and then I'm gonna go have some lunch. Alrighty, so lunch is over with Bri. It was so nice. It was nice to visit with Brandy as well. And now I am headed towards my house. I have to go and fill up with gas first. That way we have a full tank of gas before we leave tomorrow morning. And then I will head home and start packing, which I kind of already started just a little bit. I threw our jammies in there. I threw his swim trunks in there, and I got the suitcases and stuff out. So I did start that a little bit like last night, but now I gotta like get the rest of it done. So anyway, so yeah, yeah, I'm gonna go home and start packing. Yay, we're packing for another trip. I'm excited to go to the beach. Ooh, who's excited to go to the beach with me? Yay! Who is excited to hang out with me at the beach? Yay! Alrighty, so I've been on the phone with my sister for the past 30 minutes. So while I was on the phone with her, I had my phone on speaker and I was packing up our beach bags and stuff. So this is the bag that I will take with us when we're on the beach. This one right here, and I'll just throw our towels in here, and then I've got like our sunscreen and stuff in here, lotion, sunscreen, my hair wraps, anything that else we need in there, extra sun lotion, all that good stuff. So I have all that stuff in there, and then this is what I'll carry our beach towels in. And then I'll just put a towel inside of here. I just like to carry it in here. I don't know. I might just put those towels inside of our suitcase instead of it being so much stuff to carry. I don't know yet. I just like the convenience of being able to grab a towel out, whatever. Anyway, nonetheless. So that's what I will be bringing with us. And then this is our like overnight bag. This has all of our overnight accessories in it, toiletries. I'm bringing this one for my son because he needs a toiletry bag. So I got this one for him, and he's gonna use a toiletry bag because he needs to. And then here's all my stuff, and then all of our other stuff. And then this is my other toiletry bag that I use, has all my hair products in it. So that stuff is in here, and it's good, and it's all up to date, which is nice. And then I started packing a few things right there. So so far so good. I'm gonna go grab some more clothes. I'm gonna grab my bathing suit and then try to pick out some outfits for us to wear for the next couple of days while we are in Florida. So alrighty, I wanted to try on a new bathing suit top that I bought from Lands' End. This is a size 18 from Lands' End. I absolutely love this. I can never say enough cool things or good things about Lands' End bathing suits. They have the best bathing suit tops for like big busted girlies. But this is the bathing suit top. These are just my shorts that I've been wearing all day. But anyway, this is the top. I absolutely love it. This is what I like so much about it too. Okay, because it actually has like a nice like rouged area right through here in the bust line. It's just nice and I like it. Sorry about the boobage, but that's just what it is. I like it. It's just nice. Of course, it shows off my little bulges in the back, but hey, I like it. So I'm very happy with it. Lands' End, best bathing suit ever. So I'm gonna bring this one with my black skirt. I'm excited because I can wear this to the on the cruise. So I'm gonna do this one with my black skirt, and then I'm gonna go in here and find one more. I keep my bathing suits hanging in here. I think I'll do this one, the navy blue and white one with my navy blue bottoms. So I think that's what I'll do for this one. And so I have my navy blue bottoms and this bathing suit, and then I gotta grab my cover up, and yeah, then we're getting there. I'm getting stuff done. Now I'm gonna go change my shirt so I can pack this away and put it away. I really like this. I'm so happy about it. I really am. I threw a shirt in the washing machine. Here is my one cover up. I gotta find my other one. Must find the other one. I have it somewhere, but yeah, so all is going well. I'm gonna finish packing. But before I finish packing, I'm gonna actually go ahead and end the vlog because I have to get this up and edited for you guys tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget, tomorrow we are leaving for Pensacola / Mobile for a weekend trip. I'm gonna be visiting with my son, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And so I won't have, like, there won't be a vlog up on Friday or Saturday, but I have 2 videos going up Friday and Saturday. Tomorrow will be today's vlog, and Sunday there will be nothing. We'll be traveling and coming home, and then I'm hoping to get a vlog up on Monday for you guys. If not, then I will see you guys Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Angie in Wonderland, to see any updates and pictures that I will be posting over the weekend. I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye.